Hey, I'm Tony Zach with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Myrtle Beach. One of the best times of the day is when you finally get to pop into that relaxing shower. The last thing you want to feel is a slimy film on your skin or breathe in a strong chlorine smell as the steam surrounds you. Get that fresh, clean feeling from your water with a whole house water filtration system. If you're not sure the direction to go, or you just want expert advice on the best product for the job, contact the experts at Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Myrtle Beach.